In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go live on YouTube without 1000 subscribers. Okay, so what you would normally do to go live on YouTube is you would tap on the plus icon in the center at the bottom, and then you have the upload button, and then it says go live. But if you tap on this go live, you have to allow it access to your microphone and that, so just allow it. And then you can see I'm not eligible to live stream because I don't have 1000 subscribers yet. So I can tap OK, and it will just take me back into YouTube. So how you can still go live on YouTube below 1000 subscribers is you can use a third-party app, and that app is called Streamlabs. And if you go ahead and download that, all you would need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search up Streamlabs, and go ahead and make sure that you download this app. So I have it installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Then this is a very simple app to use. All you would need to do is connect your YouTube channel. So all you would need to do is log in with YouTube. So tap on YouTube. And then all you would need to do is log in with your YouTube account, give it access to your account. Now this is 100% safe to use. And then just go through this process. And then once you're in Streamlabs OBS, you'll see a big go live button. I'll pop up a screenshot of what that looks like. All you would need to do is tap on that, and then you will be able to go live to your audience without 1000 subscribers. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.